Hello, all my joyful creators. This is video number 2 of my Happy Mail unboxing. Now, I know a little bit of what's coming in this next Happy Mail because I bought it. But it is from our friend Ashley at Lether Co. She had a sale going on and I took full advantage of that sale, getting 2 pretty much for the price of 1. So I'm very, very excited about this. I have not looked. All I did was just cut the tape. So here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, maybe I didn't cut all the tape. Oh, I did. Okay. And if you are a follower of mine, then you know, my friends, what it is with Ashley that I love to buy from Lether Co. So you know what to expect. Now, it does look like everything is wrapped together. So I have to be careful. And I have a decision to make because there are some things in here that are not for me. They are for you guys that I have bought to give away when I send my little love gifts. And should I share? We'll see. I'll leave it to the end. A little tease there. All right. Look at this pretty purple box. Oh my gosh, that my goodies are in. Oh, I'm so excited. So, friends, you know what comes in these type of boxes from Lether Co. So you know that I have bought another ergonomic wooden hook from Ashley. But this is the thing. I haven't bought one. I bought 2. Okay. Wow. They're pretty. But I am going to tell you right away, they are not the colors that I chose. But I still like them. But it is what it is. Alright, so the ones that I bought were supposed to be the same. They were on sale and they were $20 a piece instead of $35 a piece. So like I said, I basically got 2 almost for the price of 1. And they are supposed to be black and white, but they are not black and white. They are, it looks like blue and yellow. They're still pretty. I still like them, but I thought they were going to be the black and white that were on the web page. But look at those. Those are still really pretty. I am glad that they look a little bit different from one another, because they're not the same size hooks. This is my Christmas present to myself and or to my Joyful Creations company. And I got them in a J and a G hook. Yes, that's right. For a minute I thought it was a J and an H, but I thought it was a J and an H. I will need to go, actually I have it right here. So it is a J and a G hook. That is correct. That is correct. Because the J hook I use a lot in making my blankets, so sorry about that. And the G I got because I'll be making a lot more baby things. So that is correct. So the only thing that is different is, again, these were supposed to be black and white, but you guys, those are still really pretty, that blue and yellow. I do like those. So that is the second time that I have ordered a hook off the web page from her and ended up with a different handle than the color that I ordered. One time I ordered a bright yellow and lime green, and I got yellow and orange. And then this time I ordered black and white, and I got royal blue and yellow. So they're still pretty. I really do like them. But I will reach out to her and see if they have any of the black and white left, because those are the colors I actually ordered. But oh my gosh, nonetheless, I am still very, very happy, very, very pleased. I still highly recommend these hooks. They work very, very well. They help with my hands. I do have arthritis and carpal tunnel that eventually will lead into some surgery, but I am able to crochet a lot longer and a lot more efficient using these hooks. So I still 100% hands down recommend these hooks. Love them, love them. Look at, I mean, even just look at the side there. I mean, is that not gorgeous? I mean, look at that. And then the detail on the sides. I mean, they are just beautiful. Love it. And there's the other side of that one. So they are gorgeous. And I love the fact, excuse me, on the bottom, she does put, that J shows up really well. And there's the G. So it helps to identify them. So, and I don't know if that, since it is just paint, will ever wear off. But if it does, I have one of those little engraving tools. And with it being wood, I can easily engrave the letters in the bottom. So, yeah, I'm excited. So, fun, fun, fun. Merry Christmas to me. And, yeah. All right. Now, I told you there was something else in this unboxing of Happy Mail that I got for you guys, and should I share it? Should I not? Should I wait? Why not? I'm just going to share with you. These are adorable, and you'll see that I got several, so I will be able to bless many of you Yarny friends of mine that are subscribers that are drawn in the subscriber little giveaways that I do once a month. And so this will be some of the little love that I will be sharing with some of you sometime starting in 2021, because I have other stuff that is more Christmas related that will be going out for Christmas. So are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. So if your name is drawn in 2021, you might be one of the recipients of this stitch marker. Look at that. Is that not cute? And of course, this is the Enchanted Mrs. Potts and Chip. Can you see that? Is it showing up for you? Let me see if I can make that a little bit better. Let's see what this does. Oh yes, look at there. And as you can see, there's quite a few there, so I have plenty of those to give away. But Mrs. Potts and Chip. And let's see, I want to get closer for the details. There we go. But, oh my gosh, are those not cute? And that's the other thing. Ooh, I'm really blurry now. Okay. back into focus. That is something else I really, really like about Ashley's Lether Co. store, is she has some of the most adorable stitch markers. So I, again, in this video will attach her links. So if you yourself want to go purchase any of her hooks or stitch markers, that you can. So, all right. Well, this has been video number 2 of Happy Mail unboxing. You are definitely going to want to stay with me the rest of the day for the last 2 Happy Mail unboxings. I'm very, very excited, and so be sure and hang around and check out those videos with me. Lots of exciting. They're huge, big boxes. So I'll see you there. All right, bye everyone. Hugs, 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 and be joyful.